What's up, internet? Steemy Coinz here once again. Thanks for checking out the video. Alright guys, what you're seeing on the screen right now is KiwiDex. They're gonna airdrop 100,000 PKT to their users. So I'm thinking that means anyone who has ever used the KiwiDex platform. I'm guessing that's what they mean by their users. I don't use it that often, but I have used it before. But yeah, airdrop. And also Tron is having their IEO right here. So Tron having their IEO on KiwiDex. So there's a deposit time of let me get back there. Yeah, so deposit time today the 24th of May, 2200 hours. So I believe that is what, 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. Eastern, and that's gonna last until the 29th. All right, trading time for today is gonna be just 30 minutes. No, that's an hour and 30 minutes. Sorry, an hour and 30 minutes. So they're gonna have 3 rounds, right? Round 1, round 2, round 3. So the first round, which lasts only 30 minutes, you can buy 1 PKT for 1 Tron, a 1-to-1 ratio, right? And round 2, you can buy 1 PKT for 1.5 Tron, all right? And round 3, 1 PKT for 2 Tron. All right, so they're trying to kind of create like a formal kind of buy-in, but yeah, so they will be selling a lot of PTK today. And if you guys are not familiar with PTK, which is the token for the Tron platform, Tron is a casino, right? They're a casino on the Tron blockchain, and if you hold a PKT token, you essentially own a part of this casino. All right, so they have one game called Video Poker. So that's this right here. You pick your cards, and then you play, and then you see how much you win, whatever. They have another game called Blackjack, which is the traditional video poker blackjack. Yeah, so I kind of play blackjack a little bit. Not a big fan. I'm not really a big gambler. They have a new game coming out on the 27th called High-Low. So High-Low is this card game where you kind of bet is the card gonna be higher or lower or whatever, and then you stake a certain amount of Tron, and then you might win, you might lose. Yeah. So this is probably the biggest thing that's gonna be happening today on the Tron network. Probably, maybe, I'm not sure. But yeah, awesome news. But anyway, let's move on to what's going on in the cryptocurrency market. The biggest thing right now is the movement of Litecoin versus both Bitcoin and the US dollar. So Litecoin last night gained 13%. Let's switch to the daily chart. There you go, big huge spike. I've been holding Litecoin for a while now, so this is, well, a couple days actually. Well, this is a good thing to see. Some really positive movement, and this is against Bitcoin. I think I'm pretty sure that this is the only coin in the top 10 market cap. Let me actually check that out. That has this kind of movement. Let's just go here. Yeah, the only coin in the top 10 that has this much movement against Bitcoin. So let's switch this US dollar over to Bitcoin. I think I looked at this earlier. I think that's what I saw. Well, in the last hour, it's still the highest mover. In the last day, definitely the highest mover, 10% against Bitcoin. Alright, so if you hold Litecoin, you can sell that for even more Bitcoin than you used to purchase it. Alright, so Litecoin making big moves. There's a lot more to go, I believe. So yeah, so let's see what Litecoin is doing against the US dollar. There it is, big moves. All right, so I have a sell level here at 109 USD. All right, but I'm thinking I might change those plans and sell it for Bitcoin. Not sure what I'm gonna do, because Bitcoin is moving against the US dollar also, so it might make more sense to sell it for Bitcoin rather than just sell it back for USD. All right, because the USD is basically the stable currency. It's what's staying still. It's not really increasing or decreasing much in value. You really want to see the gains. You trade your Litecoin for Bitcoin. So Litecoin moves against Bitcoin, you sell it, pick up more Bitcoin. Bitcoin's moving against the US dollar. That's all good. So your Bitcoin is increasing in value. You can take that Bitcoin, buy more Litecoin. So that's what I'm planning to do. So once it hits this level, well, this is the US dollar. So I was gonna sell it, but for US dollar, but I think I'm gonna sell it for Bitcoin actually. So let me see if I can figure out a good exit on Bitcoin versus Litecoin. All right, so what we're looking at here is a daily chart, right? All right, so everything before this last candle was looking rather bullish. This candle, and I believe this was triggered by a tweet, some tweet out there, but talking about the Litecoin halving. The Litecoin halving is in about 70 odd days, so people are trying to get in. So I believe that this is definitely gonna close bullish. I'm almost certain of it. The next candle I think is gonna be bullish also, just because of the halving. People are gonna really try to get in. So I'm gonna try to be careful as to how I exit this. All right, so this can easily exit all the. This can easily start this retracement all the way up here. 72 days is a long way from now. That's about 2.5 months. So there is gonna be a retracement before we get there. But by the time the halving comes around, we're gonna be way off the screen somewhere. All right, so yeah, so that's Litecoin for now. I'm gonna let me see if I can figure out a good place to exit. Can't really make any solid decisions yet because we just turned bullish, so not a lot of information out there to work with as yet. At least that's how I like to evaluate things. So let me not use this. Hold on. Let me use a horizontal line. So right here, if you look at this area right here, that was an area of previous consolidation, and then this line turned into support a bit. So I draw that line as a possible level that we might as a possible resistance level. So just gonna watch this, see what happens. This is the daily chart. If you drill down a bit to like the 4-hour chart, it looks incredibly bullish. So just one negative candle signifying some selling, but the bulls are definitely overwhelming the bears. So I'm just gonna keep an eye on that, see what happens. All right, let's take a look at Zcash, another one of my holdings. Zcash BTC, what's going on with Zcash? Zcash, okay. Yeah, Zcash consolidating a bit, going sideways. Not much going on. I did set a level to 20%, but might just have to wait on that for a while. Zcash is another really good cryptocurrency out there. A lot of exchanges are picking it up. Let's see what it looks like on a daily. Okay, so Zcash, what I would do with Zcash, I would just keep collecting Zcash. It doesn't look like it's ready to make its move against Bitcoin as yet. Let's see what it looks like against the US dollar. Alright, so against the US dollar, it does seem to be showing some more bullish action than against Bitcoin. Wouldn't recommend selling your Zcash for Bitcoin. I would recommend buying your Zcash with Bitcoin though, because you'll be getting a good deal. But the US dollar, yeah, it's going sideways a bit. If you zoom in, yeah, so if you zoom in a bit, you can see that there has been some selling, and looks like the bulls are trying to take over a bit. So this is definitely something to keep your eye on. It does tend to look like it might go up. Can't really tell. Once this candle closes out and a new one opens, we'll see where it opens, and then we'll be able to get a clearer understanding of what's about to happen or what's happening. All right. Yeah. So RSI not close to being oversold yet. So yeah, this can definitely go up easily. But yeah. So that's that. All right. So let me just take a look at what's going on the Tron blockchain. I do trading on the DEX on Tron, Tron trade. All right, this is IGG. I thought this was gonna go up. I have a sell level set at 6,700 suns, which is around here, this level right here. Let me blow this up a bit. Boom. All right, horizontal raise, so 6,700 Tron, I'm sorry, suns is, yeah, around there. Yeah, I was expecting to make a sale around that section, but it came close because I was right here at this green candle that you see. That's where I picked some up at, and I was trying to dump it off at this level. I thought it would jump up again, but not. So we're down here. What I might do, the volume has been picking up. Volume's pretty good. What I might do, before I say that, let me take a look at the RSI. All right, there we go. RSI. Yeah, it's looking oversold, tending to be oversold. It's not oversold. Yeah, it's just mostly bouncing around in the middle. I'm basically just waiting for this coin to break out. I have a decent amount of it, so I'm just waiting for it to break out. Once it breaks out, I will be selling more. I was planning on just trading the small movement, which I might actually do. They call that scalp trading, where a coin's going sideways, so you just keep your trading range within this range right here. So you see how it bounces sideways for a while, so you just keep your trading range right in that little section, which you can pick up a lot. You can make a lot of coin just doing that. See, that's about 12%, and you can even be more conservative and like just say, okay, I'm just gonna do 8% here. So you know, once it just bounces up, you just make a sale, comes down, you pick up some more, up, and then you just keep doing that over and over and over, and in no time you've doubled your money. So the market doesn't always have to be going up for you to make good trades. But I think I might just do that. Maybe, and just pick up a 8% on each move, and you do that 12 times, and you've doubled your money. So yeah, so that's it for IGG. This coin is basically trying to decentralize esports gaming. Yeah, all right, and they're building out a really large platform for a lot of activity. So this is definitely something to keep an eye on. The next big elephant in the room, or the biggest elephant in the room, is the BitTorrent token. BitTorrent, there's so much that can be said about this token. So BitTorrent right now, they are about to release their software, their application, BitTorrent Speed, and this will allow you to earn cryptocurrency just by seeding files. So you get files on your computer, you want to seed them, movies, series files, software files, whatever, and You just leave your computer on, make it seed, and you'll be collecting cryptocurrency. Yeah, so awesome stuff. And right now it is at its all-time highs. It's trading at around its all-time highs. All right, I've been just buying this back and forth, buying, selling, buying, selling. Right now I have a sell order at 58,840 Tron Suns, not Tron, just Suns. But yeah, so that's right up here. So once it gets to this level, I'm gonna sell some, and it's gonna come down again, buy in again at a lower level, pick up some more, and just keep climbing the stairs going up. All right, yeah, so that's it. That's about it for today. Really would appreciate you guys if you like this video, comment. All right, so yeah, this is the Tron trade. And anyway, so I have a couple links in the description to a couple DApps that I'm into. There's Tronwall. Tronwall is doing awesome. Look at those numbers. Look at those numbers. Tronwall. This is an extremely resilient casino. The reason why I say that, they've been through so much. So the way this works is they have dynamic mining, right? So basically, the mining difficulty increases or decreases based on the price of the token on the market, right? So no matter what, it will always be profitable to come on this platform and mine this token. And basically you mine by playing these games. So this is a dice game right here. You can set the percentage. You have a 9 if you put it up to here, you have a 90% chance to win. All right, and then you just place the amount that you want to wager, and then you just hit bet, and then it will just bet, and then you're more likely to win. You'll make just a little bit of money because you're all the way up at 90%. But if you do something like 50%, you're gonna make a lot more. All right, but your chances are smaller to win. So basically, yeah. And yeah, so but the difficulty to actually mine the token is based on the price on the platform. Right now I have 4,300 of these tokens. All right, so Tronwall doing awesome. Anyway guys, that's it for today. If you want to check out some of these DApps, links in the description. I have a couple things going on. I can't really cover everything right now, but check out Tron Poker. I'd highly recommend it. They are about to start paying out a lot of money. All right, I hate this music that they always play. Yeah, they're gonna pay out a lot of money pretty soon. Tonight they have their IEO going, so there's a lot of Tron that's gonna be pouring into this token. Tronwall very resilient, doing awesome. Right now the percentage payback is about 5%, and usually by the time this closes it gets up to about 9%. All right, so you're gonna make your ROI in at least 15 days of what you invested. All right, so yeah, have a couple things around going on, but I can't touch on everything today. But yeah guys, thanks for checking out the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Peace.